with great pleasure, we have gathered here today in the spirit of love, the spirit we know intimately in these islands as the spirit of aloha. We celebrate this new and exciting moments in your life's journey. I long for your arrival. It fills me up with eagerness. Now that you are here, love has arrived.
Caught up in a wild hot summer, rolling in thunder. Started as a welcome friend like any other June.
Cameron, I am so excited to be your wife and to have you as my husband. In the past 9 years, we've been through a lot together. Though it's not always fun or easy, I know we will always manage to make it through together. I vow to be a source of comfort and care to you so you always have a home to turn to. You always make me laugh and smile, even when I try not to. And I vow to make you laugh and smile too. Everything we've endured and conquered together makes me hopeful for our future, and I can't wait to start this chapter together today as our own family unit, just the two of us. I love you.
I can't sleep through the night. I got you on my mind. Sky's always on fire.
Gianna, through good and bad, high and low, I can always count on you to be there for me. To think where I might be without you is a place I do not wish to travel to. You are my light, and I cannot stop thinking about that ever again. I cannot believe the life we have already built together, and I cannot wait to see what is next. I love you more than you could ever know, and I vow to ensure you get to experience this each and every day. The best decision I ever made was to grab an empty chair and annoy you in a room full of empty chairs. Cheers to you, my always and forever.
Nothing bad could come inside. All trouble left behind. Waiting there and
Now, by the power vested in me and by the laws of this state of Hawaii, I now pronounce you are husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.